Meaning of gibibyte.
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 Gibibyte. A gibibyte, gib, is a unit of digital information storage that is equivalent to 1,073,741,824 bytes. It is often used to measure the capacity of computer memory or storage devices such as hard drives, flash drives, and RAM. The term gibibyte was introduced in 1998 as part of the International System of Units, (SI). It is similar to the more commonly known gigabyte, GB, which is often used interchangeably with gibibyte, although technically they are not the same. The use of gibibytes helps to provide a more accurate measurement of digital storage capacity.